Hi everyone, welcome to Learn to Grow, Not to Know. So children, we know that plants are the only living beings that can make their own food, right? In fact, they make food for all other living organisms. So today in this video, we will see how do plants make their own food and they make food for others, other living organisms. So let's begin. Before we start the process of making the food by the plants, first we need to understand the parts of the plants. Okay, so we'll see that first. A plant has two main portions. One that grows above the ground is called shoot, and one that grows below the ground is called root. So this is above the ground and this is below the ground. Let's see shoot. Shoot has leaf, flower, fruit, bud and stem. So shoot contains all these parts, and root means only root that grows below the ground, right? See, the root fixes the plants firmly in the soil and also absorb water and minerals or nutrients which is required by plant. So root, the function of root is to absorb water and minerals from the soil, and root also store food. Okay, so we eat some roots like carrot, beetroot, right? So these are some of the examples of root that we eat. Okay, now the function of stem to carry water and minerals absorbed by the roots to the other parts of the plant. Also to store the food and supports the plant above the ground. This is the function of stem. Fruit that we eat, bud that grows into the fruit and flower and fruit. This is the flower, and leaf. This is the main part of the plant which carries out photosynthesis, that is the process of making food for the plant itself and for the other living organism. So let's see the part of a leaf. A leaf has two main parts, a stalk and leaf blade. Now stalk connects leaf blade and stem. Also leaf blade has many small veins and also main vein. This main vein, middle main vein, is also called as midrib. They supports the leaf and also transport food and water in the leaf. See, we know that cells are the main building blocks of the all living organisms, right? The bodies of all living beings are made up of tiny cells. Now these are so small that we can see them only under a microscope. So this is the picture of the cell of this leaf under a microscope. Okay, now cells can be compared to the bricks that make up a building. We can compare the cells of a leaf with the bricks that make up a building. Leaves are also made up of cells, and several rows of cells make up the leaf. Now see, on the underside of the leaf are small openings between the cells. There are small openings between the cells, and these are called stomata. Now these stomata are like the windows in our house. See, windows are made to bring in fresh air in the house, right? So in the same way, carbon dioxide required by the plant to make food enters the leaf through the stomata. So these small openings to bring in fresh air, that is carbon dioxide, which is required by the plant to make food, enters through this stomata. So this is the function of stomata. Let's see the photosynthesis, the process of making food. See, plants make their food in their leaves, right? So the leaves are mostly green in color because of a green substance called chlorophyll. So chlorophyll is present in the leaf of the plant, okay, due to which color of the leaf is green. Now this substance is necessary for the leaf to make its food. Okay, so that is why only plants with green leaves can make their own food. So the plants which have like mushroom cannot make their own food because mushroom has no green leaves, right? See, photosynthesis means, photo means light and synthesis means putting together. So the plant puts together carbon dioxide from the air and water from the soil to make its food, and the energy it needs for this is obtained from the sunlight. So the energy obtained from sunlight, and it is the chlorophyll which traps sunlight for this purpose. So for the making food, the chlorophyll present will traps this energy into the leaf. So three things: sunlight, carbon dioxide, water and nutrients, and chlorophyll present in the green leaf. During the process of photosynthesis, the food that the leaf prepares is a kind of sugar that is called glucose. Okay, so the gas oxygen is also produced. So oxygen is produced and glucose, that is sugar, is produced. It is given off into the atmosphere. Now the glucose may further changes into starch before the plant stores it. Fruits, stem, roots or leaves. So that is the process of making food. That is the process of photosynthesis. It takes sunlight, carbon dioxide, water and nutrients and gives out oxygen and glucose to the environment. So this was the process of making food, the photosynthesis. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Learn to grow, not to know.